Hi, my name is Lindsay Hilton, and I have served in the Junior League of Waco for the past 6 years. I'm excited to be in the leadership position of Executive Vice President-elect for this coming league year. For the past 12 years, I have served as an educator for Waco ISD. This year will be my first full year as principal at Alta Vista Elementary. I'm blessed to go through life with my husband, Matt Hilton, my 2 kids, Joshua, who's 6, and Olivia, who's 3. In our free time, we love to bake, which is why we're here in the kitchen, and we love to be outside playing and exploring and hiking. If I'm lucky, you might find me curled up on the couch reading a great book or watching TV or movies with my family. I'm so excited to be a part of Junior League during this historic year as we launch our new community projects. I've seen firsthand the benefit of a high-quality education for pre-K students and the long-lasting impact that it has. And I know that we are going to have a great league year. I can't wait to see y'all in the fall, and I hope you have a great summer.